Purchasing a new Mazda from OpenRoad Mazda Port Moody is easy and stress-free with these 5 easy steps. Start your OpenRoad Mazda car buying experience by visiting the dealership. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by one of our knowledgeable product advisors. Your product advisor will work with you to review your lifestyle needs and budget to help you select the right Mazda vehicle for you and your family. Once you've chosen your perfect Mazda, you'll have the opportunity to test drive the vehicle to ensure it's the right fit for you. Next, your product advisor will introduce you to one of our sales managers to get the purchasing process going. The sales manager will explain the purchasing details and introduce you to a member of our finance team to go over payment options. Once a payment plan is agreed upon, a delivery day will be arranged for you to pick up your new Mazda. On your vehicle delivery day, you'll be greeted with a customized delivery experience from our staff that will get you completely up to speed with all the features of your new Mazda and make you ready for your first drive in your new vehicle. That's it, you're done. Purchasing your new vehicle at OpenRoad Mazda Port Moody really is that easy. After purchasing, you'll also automatically be enrolled in Club OpenRoad, where you can earn points to be used for maintenance costs for your vehicle or be put towards the purchase of another vehicle further down the road. Thanks for choosing OpenRoad Mazda Port Moody. We'll see you soon.